Putting a full stop to confusion. Mastering the period in English sentences. Hello, language learners. Welcome to our video on mastering the period, one of the most basic yet significant punctuation marks in the English language. Today, we're going to focus on using periods in sentences, specifically at the end of declarative sentences. By the time this video is over, you'll be a pro at knowing where to place that little dot in your sentences. First things first, let's clarify what declarative sentences are. They are statements that express an opinion, a fact, or any form of information. They are the most common type of sentences we use in our daily communication. An example could be as simple as, "I love pizza," or as complex as, "The Golden Gate Bridge, which was opened in 1937, is one of the most famous landmarks in San Francisco." In both examples, we are declaring or stating something, and in English, such sentences are appropriately closed with a period. Now, the question is, where do we place the period in declarative sentences? The answer is, right at the end. The period signals that a thought or an idea has been fully expressed. It indicates the end of a sentence, and it's time to take a breath before moving on to the next sentence. Look at the examples again. I love pizza. The Golden Gate Bridge, which was opened in 1937, is one of the most famous landmarks in San Francisco. In both sentences, you'll notice that the period is placed at the very end. There's no space before it, but there is a space after it. That's the standard way to use periods in English writing. When it comes to using periods, there are a couple of common mistakes that people often make. The first one is using a period in the middle of a sentence, interrupting the flow of the thought. An incorrect example could be, "My favorite food is pizza." This should be, "My favorite food is pizza." The second mistake is forgetting to use a period at the end of a sentence. This leaves the sentence hanging and might confuse readers about where the sentence ends. And that's a wrap. We hope you now feel more confident using periods in your declarative sentences. Remember, they come at the end of your statements and play a crucial role in making your thoughts clear and comprehensible. So, keep practicing and watch your English language skills soar. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.